I originally heard about it from my GP, who suggested that I put myself forward for it. The pre-diabetic nurse kind of ran through a couple of different eating suggestions with me, but they were all, it was a lot to take in at one time. So it was really helpful to know that I had a program that I could tap into. It was just really positive. It was about what foods were good and what foods were needed to be monitored, because like Gin and Mark said, no food is out, so that was really, really good. Swapping out was my absolute favourite. I still do that now. Every meal I'm kind of thinking, oh well, what if I add this in instead or that in instead? Therefore you're still getting the same amount of food, you're still getting foods that you really enjoy, but you're making each dish kind of healthier and healthier each time, so it's great. I'm constantly telling people, oh my God, you've got to do this, this is really brilliant. I've lost nearly coming up on 2 stone from using the program. I tried every kind of other alternative diets that there were or whatever, but this was just absolutely, Mark and Gin were just brilliant. They were so helpful and so supportive. Having other people in the group was brilliant. We really gelled as a group and had different kind of suggestions each week for each other that really helped. But I absolutely would recommend it. There's nothing to be afraid of. As soon as you start, it'll be life-changing. It really is. It was a real big benefit. It was really, really lovely. I looked forward to seeing everybody every week and seeing how they'd done and hearing not just about kind of how they'd done in the programme and stuff, but we really gelled then as friends and kind of support for each other. And so that was brilliant. So I would kind of urge people not to be afraid of coming into a group setting. It's absolutely brilliant. And they're just friends you haven't met yet.